Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit Moody Brown Tone using Adobe Lightroom. So let's get started. Open your Lightroom app on your smartphone or in a computer. Import the photo. Go to Develop option. And for the color, adjust the temperature to 14. And the tint move to 6. For the lights, drag down the exposure to -71. And then the contrast would be -2. Now for the highlights, set to -67. And the shadow would be on 21. Drag down the whites to -64. And for the black would be on -50. Let's move forward to effects. The clarity would be on 57. Set the dehaze to 7 and vibrance to 11. And for the saturation would be on 10. And we're going to color. If you are using phone, hit the mix on the right side. And let's starting in the color red, set the luminance to 9. And jump to color orange, set the hue to -7. Saturation to -4, luminance to 29. And for color yellow, set the hue to -16. Saturation to -100 and luminance to 22. Color green, set the luminance to 11. And for the color aqua effect would be to 0. For blue color, set the saturation down to -100. And also for color purple and magenta, keep it to 0. Let's jump to split tone highlights. Set the hue to about 199. And saturation to 9. Balance to 28. For the detail, set the sharpening amount to 30. And keep the radius in 1 and detail to 25. And for noise reduction, set the luminance to 20 and keep the detail to 50. And that's it. This is the before and after, and I think we achieved the Moody Brown Tone. You can save it to your gallery if you are using phone and desktop for those using computer. So that's my tutorial. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And see you on my next tutorial. God bless and goodbye.